guys, NateVlog here. Welcome back to my channel, Groovy Vibes. Today we are going to try the Greek Baklava by Taste with walnuts and honey. Would you look at that? Doesn't that look hella delicious? Greek, huh? Well, you know what that means. It's time to get Greek. Whoa, where did this come from? Hold on, what is this? This is the Greek flag. This is how we do it, alright? Is the right way? Opa! Opa! Yeah! Any Greek subscribers out there? Well, yeah. If you didn't know, on my dad's side of the family is Greek, so yeah. Groovy, huh? Alright. There we go. Something like that. I guess we'll just wear it as a cape, right? Grease. Alright, here we go. Let's get this try. How do we open this? Oh. This way. Oh. Wait. This way. Oh my gosh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. What is this, tissue box? Okay, so it comes with five. Only five. Okay, wow. That's a oh, Butterfingers. So this was $4 at Marshall's. $4, okay. You get 5 and it's 4. Individually wrapped. Give this a try. Ooh, a little sticky. Smells good. Breakfast. A little crunch to it. Honey on the bottom. Oh, wow. Baklava. One of my favorite desserts of all. Wow. Wow. 10 out of 10. Wow. Did you hear that? NateVlog said 10 out of 10. Incredible. I have to go for another one. Should I eat all these now? Now I know baklava is like all over there, right? So Turkey, Armenia, Greece, probably some other Arab countries. Oh God! Where's my drink? It's so sticky, it's stuck to my throat. Damn, trying to kill me, huh? I still don't have a drink. But yeah, it's not too sweet, but it's there. Really nutty. Thick. You have to really chew it. Wow. Have you guys ever tried baklava? Because I highly recommend it. It's just so expensive. Like when you go to like what the hell? Chew it. Damn it. What the hell was all that about? Anyways, yeah, so I don't know why when you go to a restaurant and you order baklava, it's just so expensive. It's like, really? Come on, it's a dessert. It's like almost the price of the kebabs or something. The gyro, right? Gyro, however the hell you pronounce it. Ah, damn. Oh my, seriously, we're going for another one after it tried to kill me? Look, I'm crying because I'm choking back there. Damn. But it's that delicious. Ah. A little flaky on top. Surprised I didn't have that attack when I was eating mochi, but damn. Wow. Opa! Product of Greece. It's the real deal. It's from Lonina, Athens. Apparently it has protein 3 grams, vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium, only 140 calories. Sugar is 3 grams. Sodium's only 30 milligrams. Not bad, because the honey and walnuts. What other type of things in the middle, right? Oh no, no, no. Oh my god, again. Fourth one. Jeez. This is a hella sticky one. Trying to get this one out. Damn. Alright. Tum-tum problems after this. One left. Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants the last one, huh? I already had 4. Baklava breakfast. You can really taste the honey here. Now that's what the sweetness is. That's why you can kind of say this is healthy. What? Healthy dessert. Yeah, you read it. I read it. Healthy nutritions. Yeah. Anyways, that was some Greek baklava. Baklava. Wow. Okay. Well, yeah. Big ups to that. Groovy vibes all the way. And Greece, where you at? Come on. I'm showing you your food here. Check it out. Oh, what happened to the flag? Come on, represent. Represent. Oh, I guess not. Hold on. One more time. Greece. I would love to go to Greece one day. But, yeah. One day, right? See all the history over there? I mean, come on. History to the max is what's over there. The Spartans. Right? What else is over there? Where democracy came from? Yeah. Greece. Alright, anyways. Yeah. Hit up my PayPal. Hit up my Venmo. Description down below. Thank you everyone supporting my groovy NateVlog channel. Best of the best content. Always a blessing. Hella appreciate it. And we will see you next time. Last one. Last one. Come on. Hit the like button. Alright, we'll see ya. By the way, it didn't look like this. It was like circular. What the hell? I just realized that. Alright, yeah. We'll see ya, but yeah, 10 out of 10. Finally, for once, right? Baklava. See ya.